We are here for the Down syndrome charity show, which is going to take place on the 6th of December here at the Cricket. I'm looking forward to it. It has not been an easy journey for me till now, but at least when I see the man himself around and we are sitting here, the place is cleared, everything is cleared, I'm feeling a little bit relaxed or relieved. I call upon all Ugandans that this is not just a show, but we are going to correct whatever will come out, to start something, or a home for the Down syndrome children and their parents, hospitals, and also I call upon all Ugandans who are out there with a good heart. Not only Ugandans, I'm not going to say only Ugandans in Uganda, that anybody who is having a good heart, who can join us and fight, because it's a fight for me. It has not been easy. I don't want to do it alone. I don't know if tomorrow I'll be there, but if we join hands, even if I go away, my entry, because for me, I call it now entry, will continue. I don't know if I will get questions, but at least I just want to say that the show is there. In the past days, we have had rumors that the show will not take place, but now we are here. It's only one day to go, and I'm confirming it. The show will be there. Please come and support in big numbers. Thank you. I'm concentrating on this Friday. Yeah. After tujja kulaba mukama yagenda okumpa ekyokola bwengamba nti kitenga nkita obanga okufiibwa kubaawo ate onookola ki mukama yasala mukama yagenda okusasula.